Hello everyone, my name is Ilya and welcome to my channel. In the past 2 weeks I was getting ready for a very demanding race in the mountains of Lake Tahoe area. Normally before the race you want to eat a lot of carbs and some proteins to get energy for the following day to perform at your best. So, delicious pasta with some protein will be a good choice as a meal before the race. It inspired me to make a very special creamy pasta dish with chicken, mushrooms, artichokes, capers and lemons. If you like creamy pasta with notes of sour lemony taste, trust me, you will be amazed with this recipe. And of course, I will be making this dish in the Instant Pot because it's easy, it's fast and it's one-pot meal. Okay, let's make this amazing pasta. You can find list of ingredients in the description of this video. Dice onions, minced garlic, zest 1 lemon and cut mushrooms into smaller pieces. Cut chicken breast into 1-inch chunks and season well with salt, pepper, oregano and paprika. By the way, you can make this recipe with shrimp following the same instructions. It will be equally amazing. Turn on sauté mode on Instant Pot and add oil. Once oil is hot, add onions and sauté until translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then add garlic and sauté for another minute. Add chicken to the Instant Pot and sauté until it's white on all sides. No need to cook it through. Add some broth and deglaze Instant Pot with silicone or wooden spatula to remove all the bits from the bottom of the pot. Now turn off sauté mode on Instant Pot and add mushrooms, chicken broth, lemon zest, which will bump up lemon flavor, lemon juice, artichoke hearts, and finally, rigatoni pasta. Oh, and don't forget about wine, white wine. As Julia Child said, I enjoy cooking with wine, sometimes I even add it to the food. Don't stir. You want to make sure that pasta is well submerged in the liquid. Stirring it may cause the burn message and it can prevent the pot from coming up to pressure. Now close the lid and set Instant Pot to high pressure for 6 minutes. After cycle is over, do a quick pressure release. Pro tip: always make sure that pasta is submerged in a liquid just enough to cover it. Always set pasta for 5 to 6 minutes maximum with a quick release. If you want pasta more al dente, set Instant Pot for 4 to 5 minutes. Remember to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss my weekly recipes. Also, it will help a lot to support my new channel. Open up a lid after a quick pressure release and stir in Parmesan cheese, capers and chopped olives. If you never had capers before, they add a lot of flavor and go really well with salmon or chicken dishes. For example, chicken or salmon piccata. What are capers? Capers are underripened flower buds of plant known as caper bush. The capers are picked and dried. Then they are pickled to create a big, salty and lemony-like sour flavor. Our dish is ready. Serve it with some parsley, red pepper flakes, and you can't go wrong with adding more parmesan on top. If you like this recipe, you should also check out my collection of simple international Instant Pot recipes. Click on the playlist on your screen. Thank you for watching and bon appetit!